Adjustments are key to success when it comes to trading option trading strategies, especially when we are talking about option selling strategies. And there can be variety of adjustments for a single trade also, or for a single strategy also. There can be multiple adjustments possible. A good experienced trader is able to find out which adjustment to use when. A proper trade planning with adjustment planning makes it possible to trade strategies even in huge funds. So today what I am going to do in today's video, I will be talking about 5 different possible adjustments in Iron Condor strategy. First thing is we need to understand the concept of adjustments in Iron Condor. I am giving you with different variety of adjustments. From that you will come to know that okay, which kind of adjustment you can do whenever there is a requirement to do that adjustment. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla, and on our channel we always try to give best possible adjustments and conservative option trading strategies. Do join our WhatsApp YouTube community. The link is given in the description. Let us now go to backtesting. What I will do, I will create a particular kind of an Iron Condor, and then one by one on that Iron Condor only I will show you different possible adjustments. Okay, now what I have selected 1st of December 2025 at morning 9:30. This is the first day of the month. So in Iron Condor you sell one call and then you buy one call. In this case what I am doing is I am trying to buy a call which is 200 points away. So 26,900 I am selling, 27,100 I am buying. So you have to plan these things in advance. If I am going to use a particular kind of an adjustment, then I can make that kind of Iron Condor. On the downside, again what I'll do, I'll go to 25,900, sell this, and I'll buy 200. So I have made a 200 point swing of this Iron Condor so that it gives me a little bit of flexibility in doing my adjustments. Now today's video I am going to show you adjustments in case market really goes up. Same adjustments can be tried when market is going down also. So let me explain adjustments one by one. As on your screen you can see, this is an Iron Condor where I have sold a call of 26,900. I have purchased a protection of 27,100. I have sold a put of 25,900. I have purchased a protection of 25,700. Now if market goes up, obviously it will go into this red area. Whenever market is going up, this is true for all adjustments. So wherever the market is challenging me, I need to protect that side. Please click on the like button. Your likes really motivates us to bring more and more such content, and every like is very precious to us. So please click like button before we move forward. So adjustment number 1 is I will protect my upside. I know that if market is going up, the downside is not going to give me loss. Upside is going to give me loss. So what I will do, I will protect my upside. How I can do that? So whatever call I have purchased, here I have purchased 27,100 call. I can shift that call 150 points down. Instead of 200 points gap, I can keep a gap of 150 points. So 27,100, 27,000 and 26,950. If I reduce this gap, see what happens. On put side my premium remains same, on call side the premium net credit gets reduced. But when the market is going to break my break-even points, it's not a question of how much profit I make, it's a question of whether I can preserve my capital or not. So I'll do this adjustment. Now see what happens. Obviously that time it will not be such a great scenario, because obviously market would have moved a bit. If market would have moved a bit, obviously my 27,100 call will be costlier, so I will get some profit in that. And the difference of 27,100 and what I am buying here, 150 points down, 26,950, can be slightly 5-10 rupees higher, but still. Now what is happening is it is almost protecting me wherever the market goes. A small adjustment and I can definitely take care of everything in this case, right? So this first adjustment is great. And suppose you can say, sir, once I have done this adjustment and market starts falling down, you can always reverse the process. You can always create a higher wingspan on the call side, and then if your downside is looking to be challenged, we can do the similar adjustment on the downside. So this is a very dynamic nature of this trade. Secondly, now let me reverse this adjustment, because we'll see one by one. So I'll go back to 27,100 only. 27 So again I'm coming back to my original Iron Condor. This is the first adjustment I have shown. Second adjustment, which again requires a little bit of extra margin, but that can be nullified if you buy some weekly option. So what is adjustment number 2? Let me show you. Again I am saying market is going on the upside, so I can do two things. I can totally remove the put protection, or I can make the put protection very far away, saving some money. Go to 24,900, because I do not require the protection on downside because market is moving up. Why should I waste my money? It has given me another 11 rupees. So by doing that, I am almost protecting my upside, or I can even remove it also. If I remove it, see what happens. On upside, I am almost protected, right? I am almost protected. But yes, you can say the margin will increase. Yes, margin will definitely increase. But for buying a protection for this 25,900 put which you have sold, you can always buy some weekly protection which can cost you 1 or 2 or 3 rupees. So the margin thing will again settle down, right? This is adjustment number 2. Slightly advanced, yes, but still very effective. Similarly, if market is going down, I can remove my call protection and I can keep just 3 legs, and fourth leg can be a weekly very low cost option which can be purchased. Adjustment number 3. Now adjustment number 3 is a sum total of adjustment number 1 and adjustment number 2, and again I am saying market is moving at, I have removed the put side, but still there is a small piece of loss which is still there in my system. So what I can do, I can bring my call. I have already removed the put. I can also bring my call down, maybe not by 200 150 points, maybe by 100 points, because already I have done a partial adjustment. So if I do this, instead of 27,100 call buying, I buy it to 27,000. See what happens now. Now upside, wherever the market goes, I am not going to lose anything. Yes, there can be a challenge in case market suddenly starts reversing. Then obviously you have to reverse the process. Again, you have to take the call, remove the purchase call, add a purchased put, and then you can be having a payoff diagram which is safe on the downside. Adjustment number 4. Let us talk about adjustment number 4, which works in both the directions, whether market is going up very fast or whether market is going down very fast. So this adjustment number 4 is that, okay, you immediately convert the Iron Condor into Iron Butterfly. Let me show you that, okay, market is here only 26,300 only. So what I will do, I will shift my call to 26,300 instead of 26,900. And I will shift my put to 26,300, the sold one, and purchased one, I can bring them closer also, 26,300. So Iron Butterfly is when we are selling a straddle, Iron Condor is when we are selling a strangle, right? So in this case we have sold a straddle. Depending upon when you do it, you may not be doing it at 26,300 obviously, but let us say market goes to 26,500. So what you can do, you can create a straddle of 26,500, take a lot of premium from the market, and your overall risk reward increases very fast. In this case, since we have received how much money, 223 plus 3, almost 400 600 rupees. So what I should do, I should buy protection at 600 points. So in this case 27,100, I can bring it down by, let's say, 200 points. Modify this, and the put side 26,300, 25,700 is good. So now what has happened is this has got converted into Iron Butterfly. Obviously this will not happen on the very first day. This might happen after a few days when already some melting of premiums has happened, and your risk reward ratio will be slightly better. You can still make it better by shifting 25,700 to 25,800. I'm shifting it by another 100 points, giving a little bit more money to the market. Similarly, I can bring the call further down to 26,800. This will reduce my risk reward. So if my wingspan is low, my risk will get reduced, right? Obviously the purpose of the trade is that, okay, my original Iron Condor is not looking very safe to me, I need to do something. So this is one of the best adjustments, that, okay, you convert your Iron Condor into Iron Fly and it becomes a low risk trade. As of now, I'm showing it in a very different frame of work, so that is why it might be still showing you a little bit of extra loss. But then there are ways and means to adjust this iron butterfly. So once your trade gets converted into Iron Butterfly, now you have changed the gear from Iron Condor strategy. Now you have shifted to Iron Butterfly. Now when you have shifted to Iron Butterfly, obviously Iron Butterfly adjustments will come into place. You cannot say that okay, I have shifted from Iron Condor to Iron Butterfly, I will still apply Iron Condor adjustments. Now these are two different things. Here if you see, you have accumulated a huge margin, a huge premium, sorry. So 28,000 premium is available, and we need to use this 28,000 premium to avoid this 9,000 loss. And that is a main understanding how to adjust your Iron Butterfly trade. We are conducting an Iron Butterfly and its adjustments workshop on 26th April. How to create Iron Butterfly, what kind of Iron Butterfly we should create, what are the possible adjustments, what is the whole framework, when to do those adjustments, and then we will backtest it for full 1 year, so that we are very clear how to apply those adjustments in the real market. So once the trade gets converted into Iron Butterfly, I will wear a different hat. I will become a Iron Butterfly trader, and I will adjust according to Iron Butterfly. If you want to join this workshop, you can contact us on the numbers given on the screen. All our silver members will get 10% discount. All the participants of our Iron Condor workshop will get 25% discount. If you want to, if you are not Iron Condor participant, you are not a silver member, what you can do is you can become a silver member, join this workshop. Obviously your silver membership after this discount will be almost free for next 2 to 3 months, right? So this was the fourth adjustment. Now I promise that there will be 5 adjustments. In fact, I have 6 adjustments, but fifth and sixth adjustments are basically very advanced kind of adjustments. So fifth adjustment is adding another strategy. So I'm having an Iron Condor which is already there and it is getting challenged, so I can add few other strategies to that trade and protect my Iron Condor. Does that require a whole lot of extra margin? May not be. Not much margin is required, because in your Iron Condor you can square off one of your positions which is giving you profit and then add on another strategy. That is really advanced. What kind of strategies you can add on? You can add on diagonal spreads, you can add on calendar spreads, you can add on ratio spreads to your existing Iron Condor. But that really requires a much higher level of understanding, and that requires much more time to explain how to add another strategy and safeguard your original Iron Condor and book profit even in wildly swinging markets. We have already done that workshop, and that recording is also available. If you want to buy, you can buy that recording. Hope you liked all the 5 kind of adjustments. Sorry I couldn't show much on the 5th kind of adjustment, because I do not want to give you half cooked information at with this kind of a time available. It is very difficult to explain adding strategy adjustment. But there are 5 adjustments. Out of that, 4 we have already seen on the screen also with the payoff diagram also. Hope you have liked it. I am leaving you with another very good option trading strategy video. Please go through it. Do click on the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel so far, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.